Kochi, we hear say you dey call us. Wetin happen?
Good. Una know say as dey plan how we go take win Liverpool for that Champions League finals.
Yes, sir.
And una kuku know say Hurricane see the injury.
Kochi, I think I don tell you say make you no worry. I go cover for Hurricane.
Come on, shut up. You know who Liverpool dem be for Champions League? Dem senior us like 10 times so. We no be their mate for Champions League. Na him make I dey find out means we go fit help us win them for that finals. Inyama, how far that Baba wey tell us say go fit help us? We dey Kenya. You don meet am? Wetin him talk?
Kochi, abeg, first of all, my name no be Inyama. My name na Wanyama.
Okay, sorry. Every time I dey forget. No mind me.
And secondly, good news no dey for Baba side though.
Wetin him talk?
Him tell me say the gods show am 10 billion possibilities. Wey be say na all the outcomes wey fit happen for pitch on that Saturday for our match against Liverpool. And him talk say we no win Liverpool for any of them.
Jay, I don die yo. Okay, wetin go happen be say, son,
Sir?
go help me organize some of those your Chinese brothers.
But Kochi, I no be from China. I from South Korea.
Nah, all of una na the same. Abeg make you organize them. Make them hack enter inside the VAR, wey them go use for that Champions League finals. Make it be say, if ref blow against us, VAR go tell ref say na lie, say na our ball.
Hello, una alpha.
I do. How about it now?
Fine oh.
How you dey enjoy your domestic treble now?
My brother na small oh.
I beg you, nothing small for inside that matter oh. See as you pack all the trophies with the England, the first coach wey don ever do am.
My brother na God oh.
You no even say make you leave one for your fellow coach wey be men them. E come be like say na farm work we come Premier League come do.
Person gats do wetin person gats do na. No be my fault. No time to look Uche face. No worry, next season fit be una season.
Chai! That one be say all of us don turn to bend down select now. Unto say make we no worry. Next season you go leave one for us to struggle for. I don die. You too much sha.
Unai, I know say you no call me just to come hail me all this hailing. Wetin be the reason wey make you call?
Na small help when I want to make you help me.
Which kind help be that?
You know say I get Europa Cup finals with that Sari wey get big mouth. No be say I no fit win am oh. Na just say I need tips from you on how you take handle them for that una Carabao Cup finals. Make I for sure say anyhow, you no get as they want take win us for that finals match on Wednesday.
See your mouth like no be say you no fit win am. I beg you, if you want help, just tell me make I give you tips. No be all this one way dey form here.
Oya beg help me. Make your guy for take see Champions League come next season.
Okay, no problem. See if you just dey able to take care of that their goalie, wetin be him name? The name too long.
That is Kepa na.
That na his second name abi? Him and Hazard, if you fit handle them, you don dey enough to take win Chelsea easily.
Okay, I understand Hazard own. Him be their best player. But why you say make I handle Kepa? And how I won't even take handle them?
Oya, listen carefully. You remember how Kepa started the open eye for Sarri for that match?
Yes, na true.
Na me cause am. Yes na. You know say Sarri dey like smoke.
Yes.
But you know say no be ordinary cigar dey that thing wey him dey smoke oh. Him dey mix am with plenty other things like Igbo, Shisha and many others.
I no know.
Na all those things dey make am function well and him get strong brain to take handle am. But Kepa dey like smoke ordinary Shisha. So wetin happen be say I send one of my boys to go exchange their smoke.
Now him make Kepa come dey open eye for Sarri for that match.
Bam!
Okay. But what of Hazard?
That one easy. Just tell am say Real Madrid don gree to sign lifetime contract with am. You go just see, him go start to dey misbehave for pitch or him no go even come play match sef.